Hey, it's Rich again from Howes. We're here with,
Jed Talbot, chemist.
and we're here to talk to you about winter issues that you may face. What is gelling and when can it happen?
Cold. That's it in a nutshell. It gels up because it's cold. There's paraffin waxes that are naturally part of diesel fuel. And as the temperature drops, they start solidifying and coming together into larger and larger crystals. And that's when the headaches start.
What problems do diesel users face in the cold?
Well, it's gelled fuel is going to be slow starts, no starts. You're going to see a loss in performance. You're going to see sluggish response as you're hitting the accelerator, and anything where you're starting to choke down the amount of fuel that's burning in the engine. Those are the problems that you're going to be facing.
Can you explain a little bit about what gelled fuel actually looks like?
Well, it depends on the fuel. It can look anything from the good old fashioned icy, at the movie theaters to, outright candle. If it's fully solid, it's just wax. And it anywhere in between those, it's a slushy, slurry mix of solids and diesel fuel that's going to be hard to filter out.
Okay, so we're gelled up. For whatever reason, we've gotten to this point.
Yep.
We're gelled up. Either we forgot to treat, who doesn't forget things now and again, or it's reached astronomical cold weather, like biblical cold weather. So how can a product like Lifeline rescue us from that scenario?
Always first, be safe. Make sure everything's off. Make sure everything is electrically away from you as you're doing this. But you're going to take your filter and you're going to take it out and rinse it off with the Lifeline. That's going to get all of the built up and really embedded wax in the filter to dissolve and break free for what you're going to need. When you install it, you're going to fill that up with Lifeline as well to help spread out through the rest of the filter area. And then if your tank is really still just hard as a rock, it'll take time to actually work through the fuel levels, but add it directly to the tank. 16 ounces of Lifeline to 20 gallons of fuel, and you will get moving again.
Thanks for spending some time today. We hope we gave you some tips that will help you stay safe out there. And remember, it's always good to have an emergency product, and there's nothing better than Howes Diesel Lifeline.